Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. I've been asked to have a look at this Vaillant Turbo Max. It's got intermittent hot water. Central heating is working fine, but the hot water is playing about. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. So I've been asked to have a look at it, diagnose it and repair it. Now first of all, this Vaillant Turbo Max, I'd like to share with you, is my worst nightmare. I've had so many headaches and so many mess ups and cock-ups on this boiler that I can't think of any other boiler that I've ever even come close to. So this is my nightmare boiler. If you got a nightmare boiler, I'd love to hear from you. Put it in the comment box below. Now every time I come across this boiler Turbo Max, I'm always asking myself, should I take the job on or not? Off? Yeah, can you switch it off? Now basically what the boiler was doing is, when you have the tap open, it would sometimes sense the tap open and sometimes it wouldn't. On again. But the rest of the heating was working fine, but everything else was working fine apart from just sensing the tap is open or not. So that narrowed it down to one issue, the turbine or the flow switch. Now, because the parts are not that expensive, I'm just going to change them both. This the sensor and the turbine. Yeah. No, go on, carry on talking now. Right, okay. This the domestic water sensor. We've tested it out with a multimeter, and let's see what's going on with it. Okay, thank you. Try the tap for me, please. So we're going to try the tap out. And no changes there, yeah. So we're supposed to be getting about 2 milliwatts, and it's just stuck there. So we're going to be changing this. Oh, it's okay. So we're changing this, and I'm hoping all will be sorted after that. So we're taking that off, the old one's out. Unfortunately, that cable, the switch didn't do the job, so I had to dig deeper and I had to get this turbine. The manufacturer did say just change them both at the same time, but I tried to be a smart ass. So I changed that, and that's it. It should do the job, but it didn't. So I got a new turbine. I'm gonna put that in, and this is the old one. Sorry, and this is the old one, and can you see that? It's the plastic cap on is, well, plastic thing is called broken on it. So inside there is getting stuck. So that's why they were having intermittent work. And look at that, can you see that? So when he's going around, it was getting stuck to the sides, and that's why I think, and the wings on that look damaged as well. So I think that's the problem on it, and hopefully we're gonna change it and we're gonna get this boiler going for these guys. It's a bit of a nightmare getting it out though. This clip is a headache, man. I don't have that tool for it because I never ever needed one of them tools, you know, those clips. Might have to invest in one, but if I don't get to do one of these in another 20 years, it might be a pointless investing in one. So that's that. I'm gonna put this in, hopefully tell you what happens at the end. So we've got a new washer. We're gonna put the washer in. I'm gonna put that clip on there. So let's put this in. No matter which way it goes. Right, that's in there. So I'm gonna put the clip in. That's it. Yeah. So the clip's in, and we're gonna test it out now. Hopefully everything will be working fine. Do it slowly. Don't want to bloody flood the house, do we? Okay, can you try to close the tap for me? No, it's not that. I'm just holding that in case the clip fails. Yeah, no, it doesn't, but just in case it did. Story of my life, that would be. Right, that's fine. Okay, let's open it fully then. Should be fine then. Right. Let's put this there. Okay. Now let's have a look if it's gonna work. Unless you know you don't. Right, it's fired up. Right, and we're getting hot water here too. Nice and warm water.
Yes.
And that's it, just maintaining things. Okay. That's it. Okay, that's fine. See, nice fighting.
No.
Right, guys, just a bit of a nightmare, bit of a headache to do, but we got to the end and we sorted it out. So if your boiler is broken down, Birmingham, South Birmingham, give me a call. Till next time, stay positive, keep smiling. Birmingham Boiler Fix. Uncle, do you want to give me a review? Guys, I just done a repair for them, and my friend here wants to just say some kind words with Birmingham, hopefully.
Hot water coming for nearly a week. We were struggling, and I tell you, this man is brilliant. He's very, very good. He's done everything, and I was watching him, and it's perfect, very nice. And I would recommend everybody to give them, I'll give them a 10 out of 10.
Thank you. See some nice people I come across on my journey. So I'm glad he's happy. Thank you. So this one's sorted.